So why should you start selling on eBay? First, it's a great side income with the potential to become your main income. Depends on how much time and effort you put into this. You can be your own boss and even manage other people and have workers. Most people that I know of don't like their bosses or the jobs, and here you have an opportunity to fire up your boss and become your own boss in your terms without anybody telling you what to do or when to do. Risk reducing. Every person should have more than only one stream of income. You can see, for example, the coronavirus these days. People who had great jobs suddenly found themselves with nothing. So you can't trust only one source of income, and this one is a great opportunity to build another stream of income. Low risk business setup. Unlike offline businesses, where it costs a lot to start a business because you need to pay for rent for a place, for workers, for merchandise, here in this business model, we have a very low setting up fees. And it summers up to only about tens of dollars per month. We work in a unique model called dropshipping, which I'm going to explain you more about in the next videos. And lastly, work from the comfort of your home, beach, etc. In this business, you are not limited to a place. You can work from wherever you want and whenever you want, and it's a very comfortable solution for a lot of people.